Hello everyone, it's Justin from Oakley Home Access, your full-service home accessibility and home safety company located here in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Super passionate about fall prevention, aging in place, and increasing accessibility throughout the community. So today we have another installment for Tip Tuesday videos regarding DIY type things. Stuff you can do on your own. You don't have to buy products from us, buy services from us. Today we're going to talk a little about lighting next to your bed. So oftentimes individuals in the middle of the night, they get nature calls and they have to get up and use the restroom. If there's not a lamp or a light next to the bed, the only option for turning on light oftentimes is across the room at the doorway where the light switch is. So when individuals are getting up in the dark looking for the devices, oftentimes that can lead to a fall. So simple lamp next to the bed. Nowadays they have simple touch lights like that. So the individual wakes up, nature calls, they can touch their lamp that's right on the side of their bed, get up, they can see their cane or their walker, and they can go about their business and access the bathroom safely. When they return, the light will still be on, and they want to return to sleep, they can tap the light off and then return to sleep. In the morning, turn their light back on and go about their business. So a simple tip that can prevent a fall at home goes a long way. So again, Oakley Home Access here in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Come by the showroom. We have a lot of great products to display and to educate folks about. 322 South Pier Road here in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Also, you can give us a call, 401-429-3882. Schedule your free home safety assessment. And always stop by the website, oakleyhomeaccess.com, to learn a lot more about our company and what we do in the community for aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility. Thanks, and see you next week.